Starting a farming journey can be both exciting and daunting. The dream of working the land, growing crops, and raising animals appeals to many, but the realities of agriculture require careful planning, adaptability, and a willingness to learn. As more people are drawn to farming, whether for sustainability, profit, or passion, there are common pitfalls that can derail even the most enthusiastic newcomers. In this guide, we'll uncover the 10 biggest mistakes new farmers make and share practical strategies to avoid them, helping you lay a strong foundation for your agricultural success. Mistake number 1, underestimating the importance of planning. Many new farmers are eager to jump in, purchase land, and start planting without a solid business plan. It's easy to be swept up by the romance of rural life, but farming is a business at its core. Skipping the planning phase often leads to wasted resources, financial stress, and frustration. Before breaking ground, invest time in creating a detailed business plan. Research your target market, estimate production costs, set realistic goals, and outline a timeline for growth. Talk to experienced farmers, attend workshops, and consult local agricultural agencies. A clear plan will keep your efforts focused and increase your chances of long-term success. Mistake number 2, ignoring soil health. The foundation of any successful farm is healthy soil. New farmers often overlook soil testing, assuming any patch of land will be productive. However, poor soil can hinder crop growth, reduce yields, and invite pests and diseases. Prior to planting, conduct comprehensive soil tests to assess pH, nutrient levels, and composition. Amend the soil as needed with organic matter, compost, or fertilizers, and consider crop rotation to maintain fertility. Remember, investing in soil health upfront pays dividends for years to come. Mistake number 3, overextending with too many crops or animals. It's tempting to diversify by planting multiple crops or raising various livestock, but spreading yourself too thin can lead to burnout and inefficiency. Focus on a manageable number of crops or animals that suit your land, climate, and market demand. Specializing allows you to master techniques, streamline operations, and build a strong brand. As you gain experience, you can gradually expand your offerings. Mistake number 4, neglecting market research. Growing high-quality produce or raising healthy animals is only half the battle. Finding buyers is equally critical. New farmers sometimes assume that if they grow it, customers will come. Instead, research local demand, pricing trends, and potential competitors. Visit farmers markets, talk to grocery stores, and explore online platforms. Tailor your production to what the market wants, not just what you want to grow. Building relationships with buyers and understanding consumer preferences will help you avoid unsold inventory and wasted effort. Mistake number 5, failing to budget for equipment and maintenance. Farming requires investment in tools, machinery, infrastructure, and ongoing maintenance. Many newcomers underestimate these costs or purchase equipment they don't actually need. Create a detailed budget that accounts for initial purchases, repairs, fuel, and upgrades. Start with essential equipment and rent or borrow specialized machinery until your operation grows. Regularly maintain your tools to avoid breakdowns during critical periods. Smart budgeting and maintenance keep your farm running smoothly and prevent costly setbacks. Mistake number 6, disregarding water management. Water is vital for crops and livestock, yet it's often taken for granted. New farmers may neglect irrigation planning, leading to drought stress or waterlogging. Analyze your farm's water resources, including rainfall patterns, wells, and irrigation systems. Design efficient watering schedules and invest in water-saving technologies like drip irrigation or rainwater harvesting. Monitor soil moisture and adapt your practices to changing conditions. Proper water management not only boosts productivity, but also conserves a precious resource. Mistake number 7, overlooking pest and disease prevention. Pests and diseases can devastate crops and livestock, catching inexperienced farmers off guard. Instead of reacting to outbreaks, develop a proactive management plan. Learn to identify common threats in your region and use integrated pest management techniques, combining biological controls, crop rotation, and targeted treatments. Stay informed about new risks and consult agricultural extension services for advice. Preventing problems is always easier and cheaper than solving them after they arise. Mistake number 8, ignoring record keeping and data tracking. Successful farming relies on informed decision-making, and that starts with good record keeping. Many new farmers neglect this step, relying on memory or guesswork. Track expenses, yields, sales, weather conditions, and pest outbreaks. Use digital tools or farm management apps to organize your data. Reviewing records helps you spot trends, make improvements, and prepare for audits or loan applications. Informed decisions build resilience and profitability. Mistake number 9, failing to network and seek support. Farming can be isolating, but you don't have to go it alone. New farmers often miss out on valuable advice and opportunities by neglecting to network with other producers, agricultural organizations, and industry experts. Join local farm groups, attend workshops, and engage online through platforms like SMART-AGRI Hub. Sharing experiences and learning from others can help you solve problems, discover new markets, and stay motivated. A strong support network is one of your greatest assets. Mistake number 10, not prioritizing self-care and work-life balance. The demands of farming are relentless, and new farmers often push themselves to the point of exhaustion. Overwork can lead to mistakes, health issues, and burnout. Schedule regular breaks, delegate tasks when possible, and make time for family, hobbies, and rest. Remember, sustainable farming starts with a sustainable lifestyle. Healthy farmers build healthy farms. In summary, the journey to successful farming is full of learning and growth. By understanding and avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for a rewarding experience in agriculture. Start with a clear plan, invest in soil and water health, focus your efforts, and prioritize market research. Budget wisely, prevent pests and diseases, and keep meticulous records. Build connections within the farming community, and remember to care for yourself along the way. Whether you're cultivating crops, raising livestock, or exploring agri-tech innovations, these strategies will help you overcome challenges and thrive. If you're ready to transform your dream of farming into a sustainable reality, take these lessons to heart. Learn continually, adapt to change, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Farming is more than a profession, it's a way of life. And with the right approach, you can achieve success while making a positive impact on your community and the environment. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 10 biggest mistakes new farmers make and how to avoid them. For more tips, resources, and expert insights, stay connected with SMART-AGRI Hub. Your journey in agriculture begins with knowledge, and together we can grow a smarter, more resilient future.